Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Paint Trade in Boksburg.
Our store, Paint Trade Boksburg, is one of the more recent additions to the Paint Trade chain. There are 4 in total: Edenvale, N17, Hillfox and ourselves. There's nothing we cannot do when it comes to paint and coatings. We're one of the largest and only paint and coating specialty stores in South Africa. 1,800 square meters of paint and coatings all under one roof. We're 6 years this month, opening in 2018 and growing from strength to strength. We strive for excellent service, product knowledge and price. Also not forgetting widest variety of paint suppliers under one roof. We serve 2 groups, the at-home DIY handyman and the professionals. Both needs can vary, but the end result is the same: beautify, protect and enhance. My favorite Plascon product is Plascon Wall in All. It's extremely durable and washable. Exterior product that can be used interior. It has a low sheen. It has a unique dirt barrier formulation, ideal for longevity, and obviously it's got a low VOC. My helpful DIY tips: when repairing cracks, remember to make use of a scraper and the Plascon plaster primer before filling the crack with Polycell crack filler, and again afterwards. Valuable piece of advice: take your time to plan thoroughly before starting. Measure the area accurately, choose the right paint and tools, worth considering factors like lighting and color scheme within your room or your house. Proper preparation can make a significant difference in the final outcome of your painting project.
Handy heroes, powered by Plascon. Together, we've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary, our resilience iconic, and despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Microtex, strong enough to endure anything.